Hi, I'm Scott Markwood, Training Coordinator here at Hafele America Company.
And I'm Daniel Tripp, Product Manager for all things kitchen related here at Hafele America.
Now we're here in the Learning Center today and we're about to install a neat accessory called the cleaning caddy. Now to install this, you're going to want to make sure that you have your mounting instructions handy.
Let's get started.
We want to position the unit in the desired location. Using a self-centering drill guide such as a VIX bit, we'll pre-drill the 4 screw hole locations. We find if we insert one screw at the front before making our final measurement at the back, it's easier to ensure that the unit is in square. We'll go ahead and drill all the remaining screw holes. Here's a tip. If you pre-insert and then remove the self-tapping machine screws, it makes it easier to install the frame. The frame is then attached using the self-tapping machine screws. Notice the notch on the tray goes towards the vertical frame member, and we install those by snapping them in place over the frame. Next, we hang the portable caddy section on the frame and attach the tray dividers. And we're done! We hope you found this Hafele video helpful. Good luck with your installation and thanks for watching!